Hey you guys, it's your girl Vic here coming at you with another video. Okay. This has been sitting with me for a hot minute. You hear me? So as you can see by the title, here are 10 things that they did not tell you about being an adult. And I'm gonna let you know, your girl is 24 years old and I'm still not old enough to do this video, but still, I'm gonna do this video for you. Like, this is for you. This is for you. It's for you. It's for you. It's for you. Okay, let's get started. People hug you less. No one hugs you. Like, you have to be in a relationship just to get any type of physical affection. Like, people are so weird about physical touch now. Like, everything's a lawsuit. Everything is inappropriate touch. Everything is so wrong that nobody can hug you. And I'm not saying have some creep come and hug you every 2 seconds, but like, shoot, you have friends. We have friends as adults, maybe. Why can't we get some hugs? You're not special when you're an adult. When you're a kid, especially us millennials who had every single thing that we ever drew put up on the refrigerator, even if it was bad, we were all special growing up. Everything that we did, if we breathed, we were special. As an adult, you're not special. Everybody can do what you can do. Like, you're legitimately not special. It takes so much to be considered special and extraordinary. Like, I'm in school and I have a pretty good GPA, but because I'm not a 4.0, like, ain't nothing special about it. You don't get scholarships for having a 3.0. You don't get extra money for having a 3.0. You don't get passes in school for having a 3.0. Like, if you don't have a 4.0 GPA as a nursing major, you're not extraordinary. I'm an advertising major with a 3.1. I'm average. And I'm a pretty good average too, but I'm good at my job and I'm good at my major. Like, I'm good at classes and stuff, but I'm not special. That was a hard pill to swallow, for sure. These companies are waiting for us as young people, as young adults, to make a mistake so that they can charge us for it. Like credit cards, if you late by 1 day, you got interest, late fees, convenience fees. You got all these types of fees if you late 1 day. Or better yet, they just won't tell you. Like, they don't give you a reminder. They don't call you and be like, do you know how to do this? Do you know how to set this up? Do you know how to do? No, they don't care. If anything, they will make that money off of you and then you'll have to learn the hard way and do better later. Trust. I've had to learn it the hard way on multiple occasions. I got a Victoria's Secret credit card once. And I asked all like the specific questions that you're supposed to ask. Like, do I have to have an annual like payment? Do I have to have a minimum amount that I like buy every month to keep this card? Do I have a minimum purchase? Whatever. Asked all those questions, got my answers, but like, they didn't tell me when the statement like end date was. So your girl went and bought like $60-$70 worth of stuff on my credit card, and I got points and everything, but I didn't pay that bill on time. So I had that and interest, and that $60 or $70 turned into $100 real quick. And then you would have thought sis would have learned her lesson. No, I got that Old Navy credit card, and I was responsible this time. I only bought $21 worth of stuff. They didn't tell me also when the statement date was like due. So that $21 turned into $60 real fast. Whew. If you had parents that, like, if you ask them, hey, can we get some McDonald's, and they say you got McDonald's money, and you got mad because like you know that they got money, they didn't have money. I ain't got no money. When you're an adult, money is a figment of your imagination. You don't see it. It comes into your account and goes right to bills. You don't see it. If you have like $5 of fun money, you go to McDonald's. But like, you don't have $5 of fun money. Like, I need to tell you, like, fun money is an imaginative thing. Like, nobody ever has fun money. If you make money like that and your overhead is that low as a 20-year-old that you got McDonald's money, please Comment down below what you do for a living and let your girl know, because I got a job and an internship and I work and I like go to school full time. I went to my mom's house the other week and asked her for some toilet paper. Yes, I had enough to go to the store and get toilet paper. Did I want to spend my money to get toilet paper? No. So I got some from her house and brought it to mine. This one needs a whole nother video, and I'm probably going to end up doing that because, I'm 24 years old and I know nothing. I know nothing. It's kind of sad how little I know about life at 24. I feel like I know less now than I did at 21, or either I realized that I didn't know anything at 24. To all of my high school teachers that I knew were in their 20s and therefore didn't respect you because I felt we were only like a few years apart. So, you know, and I apologize now because I tormented you, and at 24 years old I can say now that you were a very delicate creature at the time and I tortured you. So I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that I did it to you, because now I understand that we are delicate at 24. We are fragile and we have a lot of things that we have to take care of. But no, age does not equal wisdom. And I say that because I'll be in rooms where I feel like an imposter, and you'll feel like that too. Like as an adult, you'll feel like you're not supposed to be in rooms, but the people who are in those rooms could possibly not need to be in those rooms. Just because they're older than you does not mean they know more than you in whatever area that they're trying to say that they do. You will never, may I repeat, you will never feel like an adult. Like, I thought at 24 I'd feel like I knew what I was doing, at least enough to say that I'm an adult. No, you are never gonna feel like you're an adult. You get in a relationship, don't feel like an adult. Do not feel like an adult. You have children, do not feel like an adult. You will never feel grown enough to be called an adult. Part-time jobs are a scam.
But anywho.
And I have one, okay? And I love my part-time job. But part-time jobs are a scam. You get 25 hours at most a week. You don't get health insurance, don't get dental, don't get vision, don't get a 401k. You have absolutely no benefit package. And you're gonna be doing more than your job description and getting paid pennies. So if you don't like your part-time job, leave. Not just leave, find something that you do like, because you're gonna need experience on your resume. So you might as well get it from a part-time job you sort of like going to work to every day, because if you don't, I don't really know what to tell you. Like, if you don't like going to work every day, you need to figure out another place to work, because part-time jobs, it's not gonna fulfill you at all. This one's my favorite. But ice cream is an acceptable dinner option. Like, you don't need vegetables every day. Like, you'll actually live. I know people like told you you won't live if you don't eat vegetables. No, you'll live if you don't eat vegetables every day. And ice cream is a valid and acceptable dinner option. When you've had a long day and you just want something sweet, you don't even have an appetite to deal with an entire meal, you don't feel like cooking, ice cream. Oh, and cereal. Cereal is a valid dinner option as well. Like, you don't have to just eat cereal for breakfast. You can eat cereal for dinner. I do honey bunches of oats, okay? Eat your ice cream for dinner if you want to. You've had a long day. You deserve it. And nobody's there to tell you otherwise. Instant gratification is not a thing in an adulthood. When we were kids and we made a good decision, we got rewarded. There's no confirmation about good decisions in life the older you get. You just have to know in your heart that you made the right decision. Time is relative and subjective. At 24 years old, and I'm gonna keep telling you how old I am, because my accomplishments, again, are not special. And I'm not gonna lie to you and say that I've accomplished so many things at 24 like I'm some prodigy. I have not. I'm 24 years old and still in college. Like, I'm about to graduate, but I'm still in college. There are people that I went to high school with that graduated at 21 and 22 and started their career and hated. I took the time in college to figure out what I wanted to do, and I changed my major 7 times before I figured it out. But I figured it out, and the stuff that I'm be able to do once I graduate is actually something that I want to do. So I guess it paid off. The amount of time that it takes for you to get married, the amount of time that it takes for you to buy a home, the amount of time it takes for you to start a family. Like, there is no timetable to your life. Everyone's story and timetable is going to be different. So if you don't have a baby by 26 and your friend has had 3, their timetable is not going to look like yours. And it's okay, because in your time, you're going to have your 3 kids. You don't know what a little bit more time for somebody else could have done for them. We rush through things so much, trying to hit all the markers, try to hit all of the benchmarks of life, and nobody's judging you but you. The only judgment that matters or should matter in your life is yours. So if you feel like you need to be further, do what you need to do to be further. But if you keep trying to do it and it doesn't work, stop pushing. Just relax. Those are the 10 things that no one tells you as an adult, because your girl wants to cancel her free trial to adulthood real fast, real quick, real fast. Like, who do I need to talk to? Because this is ghetto, okay?